Hello everyone, this is yet again another video which is based on social cause, that is Anti-Tobacco Day, made by me, Vavleen Kaur. Tobacco, a leading risk factor for non-communicable diseases. Tobacco is a dangerous poison. Tobacco products are products which are made entirely or partially of leaf tobacco as raw material, which are intended to be smoked, sucked, chewed, or snuffed. All contain the highly addictive psychoactive ingredient nicotine. Do you know, tobacco is a major risk factor for non-communicable diseases like cardiovascular disease, cancer, chronic lung disease, and diabetes. It's also a risk factor for infectious diseases, tuberculosis, and lower respiratory infections. Here you can see the stats which clearly shows that how the tobacco use is a risk factor for 6 of the 8 leading causes of death in the world. Seeing the effects, you can see that tobacco kills about 15,000 people a day and accounts for 1/6 of the non-communicable diseases deaths. Also, about 100 million people were killed by tobacco in 20th century. Now, it's a time to take strong and immediate steps to avoid it and save billions of lives. Smoking kills up to half of all lifetime users, most in their productive years, that is 30 to 69, reducing national productivity. Smoking can also cause irreparable lung diseases that can be fatal too. You don't smoke it, you don't swallow it. All you do is slosh it around your mouth and spit out the brown juices every few seconds. So, smokeless tobacco must be better than smoking, right? Unfortunately, no. Smokeless doesn't mean harmless. Chewing tobacco can cause cancer and other problems just like smoking cigarettes. There is no such thing as a safe tobacco product. A peril to health for all segments of the population. Smoked tobacco is responsible for more disease than any other type of tobacco used, but smokeless tobacco is heavily used in many parts of the world. In India, an estimated about 26% of all adults or 75% of tobacco users use smokeless products. And in Bangladesh, the comparable figure is 27% of all adults or 63% of tobacco users. What can chewing tobacco do to me? It can lead to cracking and bleeding of lips and gums. Also, it leads to increased heart rate, high blood pressure, and irregular heartbeats, all leading to a greater risk of heart attacks and brain damage. It also leads to oral cancer. Talking about secondhand smoke. Do you know? About nearly half of deaths from SHS, that is second-hand smoke, occur among adult women and over a quarter among children under the age of 5. Children and infants exposure to SHS can lead to reduced lung function, increased lung infections, and asthma attacks. Big tobacco is sweet talking our kids. let's have a campaign for tobacco-free kids because kids might be drawn to smoking and chewing tobacco for any number of reasons. To look cool, act elder, lose weight, win cool merchandise, seem tough or feel independent. But parents can combat those draws and keep kids away from trying and getting addicted to tobacco. Establish a good foundation of communication with your kids early on to make it easier to work through tricky issues like tobacco use. Now, let's talk about prevention tips. I know it's hard, but it can be prevented. It's important to keep talking to kids about the dangers of tobacco use over the years. Even the youngest child can understand that smoking is bad for the health. Encourage kids to get involved in activities that prohibit smoking, such as sports. Also, establish firm rules that exclude smoking and chewing tobacco from your house and explain them that smokers smell bad, look bad, and feel bad, and it's bad for everyone's health. Emphasize what kids do right rather than wrong. Self-confidence is a child's best protection against peer pressure. Let's have a world united for tobacco control. Let's see the process from the Framework Convention on Tobacco Control, which is world's first public health terms which establishes specific steps government must take to reduce tobacco use, like putting prominent health warnings, creating smoke-free workplaces, banning tobacco advertisements, promotions and sponsorships, and also adopting tax and price measures to reduce tobacco consumption. Let's quit tobacco. Hard but not impossible. Use substitutes such as tobacco-free mint leaves, snuff, sugar-free gums, shredded coconut, raisins or dry fruit. Distract yourself with healthier activities like lifting weights, shooting baskets, going for a swim, etc. It's tough to quit. Backsliding is common. So don't give up trying. Your chances of success increase with each try. Let's together say no to tobacco. Thank you for your attention, guys. If you really like my content, do give a like, share and subscribe to my channel for more interesting videos.